Speed up your work with top-notch tools from WEN, a leader in power tools and equipment since 1951. In this video, we'll dive into 15 incredible WEN tools that promise to make your tasks faster and easier. From saws to generators, WEN's innovative products combine quality and affordability, ensuring you get the job done efficiently. Let's jump in and see how WEN can help you get the job done in no time. Are you tired of underperforming power tools? Introducing the WEN 12-inch variable speed drill press, the ultimate solution for all your drilling needs. With variable speeds from 530 to 3100 RPM, it perfectly complements any workpiece. Watch as this drill press glides through wood like a hot knife through butter. The adjustable work table bevels and extends, making it versatile enough for any project. Plus, the onboard digital readout lever makes RPM changes a breeze, while the built-in work light and laser ensure maximum accuracy. But that's not all. This powerhouse tackles wood, plastic, and metal with ease, even drilling through an inch of pure cast iron. The WEN drill press is the perfect blend of power, precision, and price. Remember when power tools were truly powerful? With WEN, those days are back. Providing warmth and shelter once required nothing but an axe and sheer determination. Now, you can reconnect with those roots using the WEN Lumberjack 6-ton electric log splitter. This beast takes on logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20 inches in length, all without a single drop of gasoline. No fumes, minimal noise, just pure log-splitting power. With an impressive 12,000 pounds of cracking pressure, it's not just effective, it's downright fun to use. Powered by a 2-horsepower motor, it gets the job done swiftly and efficiently. The built-in log cradle ensures even splits, while the wheel kit with rubber grip handles offers maximum mobility. So, what are you waiting for? Close your computers, step outside, and experience the satisfaction of splitting logs with the WEN Lumberjack. It's time to bring back that old-fashioned willpower in an eco-friendly, modern way. The WEN 4750 watt generator is your go-to solution for dependable, portable power. Designed to handle everything from power outages to heavy-duty tasks, this generator ensures you never face another flooded basement due to electrical failure. With a generous 4-gallon tank, it delivers up to 11 hours of power at half load and features a convenient keyless electric start for effortless operation. It offers versatile connectivity with two 120-volt 20-amp outlets, a 120-volt 30-amp outlet, and a 120-volt RV outlet. Safety is a priority with its spark arrestor for national park use, while low-oil shutdown and overload protection safeguard the unit. The fuel gauge and engine hour counter make tracking usage and maintenance a breeze. Embrace the freedom of reliable power with the WEN 4750 watt generator and leave extension cords behind. Transform your workshop into a powerhouse of precision with the WEN 6-inch bench grinder. This compact powerhouse is perfect for sharpening dull blades, cleaning up tools, and smoothing out rough edges. With a robust 2.1 amp motor, it delivers smooth, consistent performance at speeds from 3,000 to 4,500 RPM. It comes equipped with a 160 grit wheel for fine work and a coarse 36 grit wheel for tougher jobs. You'll love the easy-to-remove wheel guards for quick changes and the adjustable eye guards that keep you safe while working. Plus, the flexible work light ensures you get the precision you need. Whether you're reviving old tools or fine-tuning new ones, the WEN 6-inch bench grinder makes every task smoother and more efficient. Meet the ultimate tool for every remodeler, carpenter, general contractor, and homeowner, the multifunction power tool. With a compact and lightweight design, this versatile gadget is your new best friend for tackling a wide range of projects. Operating at 120 volts 60 Hz with a 1.8 amp motor, it offers variable speeds from 15,000 to 21,000 OPM, giving you the precision and control you need. The 6-foot power cord ensures you can maneuver easily around your workspace. Whether you're cutting wood, drywall, and nails, removing grout, or scraping paint and caulk, this tool has you covered. Its high-quality performance makes every task effortless and efficient. So, why settle for multiple tools when you can have one that does it all? Get ready to conquer your next project with the multifunction power tool and experience the ease and convenience of professional-grade versatility in your hands. Looking for a scroll saw that offers versatility and precision? Check out the WEN 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. This tool shines with its ability to cut in both horizontal and vertical directions, making it perfect for detailed projects. The variable speed control allows you to tailor the cutting speed to suit various materials, ensuring smooth results. The tool-free blade change feature is a huge time saver, while the spacious work table provides ample room for intricate work. Whether you're tackling woodworking or metal crafting, this scroll saw delivers accuracy and ease. If precision and flexibility are what you need, the WEN scroll saw is a fantastic choice for your workshop. Elevate your cleaning routine with the WEN 2030 PSI Variable Flow Electric Pressure Washer. This powerhouse features a 14.5 amp motor that blasts up to 1.76 gallons per minute, rejuvenating everything from old walkways to patio furniture. Its 20-foot reinforced hose and 36-foot power cord let you reach every corner with ease. With a variable flow and pressure nozzle, you can customize your spray angle and PSI with just a twist, ensuring precise cleaning for any surface. Lightweight and equipped with 6-inch never flat wheels, it's effortlessly portable and easy to store. Plus, the 30-ounce onboard soap tank boosts your cleaning power with detergent. Experience efficient, powerful cleaning with the WEN 2030 PSI Pressure Washer, your go-to solution for a spotless home. Transform your yard work with the WEN 40-volt max lithium-ion cordless 24-inch hedge trimmer. Powered by a robust 40-volt motor, this trimmer delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute, effortlessly cutting through branches up to 3 by 4 inches thick. Its 24-inch dual-action blade alternates directions to ensure clean, precise cuts every time. Enjoy the quiet and smooth operation of the electric start motor. No more noisy gas engines. The smart center-loaded battery design keeps the trimmer balanced, while the ergonomic wraparound handle reduces fatigue, making those long trimming sessions a breeze. Plus, the included fade-free 2 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and charger are compatible with the entire WEN 40-volt Max series, making yard work more convenient than ever. Simplify your gardening routine with the WEN Max Hedge Trimmer. Upgrade your yard care routine with the WEN 40-volt Max Lithium-Ion Cordless 2-in-1 string trimmer and edger. Seamlessly switch between trimming and edging with a simple twist of the head. The lightweight design reduces fatigue even on the longest jobs, while the powerful 40V motor delivers up to 7,200 RPM for efficient trimming. Enjoy consistent cutting with the automatic feed system and customize your trimming experience by adjusting the handle to your needs. Maximize your cutting radius with a 14-inch width or extend battery life by setting it to 12 inches. Protect your flowers with the handy flip-down flower guard and extend the telescoping body from 51.5 to 68.5 inches for the perfect fit. Transform your lawn care with the WEN Max string trimmer and edger. If you're looking for a saw that combines power with portability, the WEN 4.2 amp compact circular saw is a must-have. This lightweight tool delivers impressive performance across a range of materials, from tile and plastics to copper and drywall. Its onboard laser ensures your cuts are precise, while the 5-inch wrist fence makes parallel cuts effortless, even on long stretches. What sets it apart is the spring-loaded shoe and lockable depth stop, perfect for safe and accurate plunge cuts. The saw also comes with a full suite of accessories: a wood plate, blades for metal, plastic, and tile, an 80-inch dust extraction tube, and a durable carrying case with organized compartments. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this saw offers versatility and convenience to handle any project. The WEN 6.6 amp variable speed. Orbital Jigsaw is a standout tool for anyone tackling diverse cutting tasks. Its variable speed dial allows you to fine-tune the stroke from 0 to 3,300 strokes per minute, handling wood, metal, and plastic with ease. The onboard laser ensures precise cuts, and the front-mounted LED light illuminates your work area. Capable of cutting wood up to 4 to 1/4 inches thick and metal up to 3/8 inch, this jigsaw features an orbital selection knob to adjust the blade's action, whether vertical or orbital. You can bevel the footplate up to 45 degrees in either direction for angled cuts. Blade changes are quick with the tool-free chuck, and the lock-on button minimizes fatigue during extended use. Plus, the rear-mounted dust port and onboard tool storage add to the convenience. Weighing just 5 pounds, it's designed for comfort and efficiency. Experience clean, reliable energy with the WEN 3800 watt inverter generator, designed to eliminate voltage spikes and drops. With an impressive 3800 surge watts and 3400 rated watts, this powerhouse is perfect for camping, tailgating, hunting, and backup power. The air-cooled OHV engine operates at a whisper-quiet 57 decibels at quarter load, comparable to a window air conditioner or an average conversation. No more noisy disruptions. Equipped with a fuel shutoff feature, it uses up remaining fuel from the carburetor before shutting down, preventing blockages and prolonging the generator's lifespan. Thanks to its pure sine wave technology, it ensures safety for your sensitive electronics, limiting harmonic distortion to under 0.3% at no load. With a 2.2-gallon tank, enjoy over 8.5 hours of runtime at half load. Stay powered up effortlessly and quietly. Elevate your woodworking with the WEN aluminum marking gauge. With its 10-inch length and dual vernier scales, metric 0.05 mm and imperial 0.002 inches, you can achieve caliper-level accuracy effortlessly. The center knob allows for smooth sliding, enabling precise measurements for cutting depths, fence alignment, and workpiece reference lines. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this gauge offers a robust, long-lasting straight edge, while laser-engraved markings ensure lasting accuracy and prevent fading. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, the WEN offset gauge enhances your craftsmanship with its reliable and versatile design. Elevate your woodworking projects and explore endless possibilities with WEN. Meet the WEN laser-etched miter saw protractor, your new go-to tool for flawless carpentry. Perfect for crown molding, trim work, and a range of other projects, this protractor is built from precision, CNC-machined aluminum alloy for unparalleled durability. Its laser-engraved scales are easy to read and ensure maximum accuracy, making every cut precise. The internal O-ring swivels smoothly, allowing for seamless adjustments. Use the outer scale for single cuts and the inner scale for miter cuts, helping you set your miter saw with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned pro or tackling a DIY project, the WEN miter saw protractor will elevate your craftsmanship and make sure you get your angles just right. It's time to experience the precision you deserve. Dive into precision woodworking with ease using this powerful WEN parallel arm scroll saw. It tackles woods up to 2 inches thick with its aggressive 3/4 inch stroke and adjusts the speed from 550 to 1600 strokes per minute with a simple knob. The parallel arm drive and steel construction cut down on noise and vibration, ensuring a smoother experience. Its spacious 25 5/8 by 16-inch steel table bevels up to 45 degrees left and 30 degrees right for those perfect angled cuts. Stay focused with the adjustable air pump and 1.5-inch dust port, keeping your workspace clean. Blade changes are a breeze with tool-free access and quick-release panels, plus the upper arm lifts and locks for easy inside cuts. Elevate your woodworking game with the WEN scroll saw, precision and convenience at your fingertips. So, that was all we had on our list of the 15 WEN tools that will make your work faster. Thanks for watching. If you have any further suggestions, please comment below and keep your eyes peering through our channel for more exciting videos like this.